Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be reviewing Learnworlds. Is it the best LMS platform or not? We're going to find out today. So do you need help finding the perfect platform to host and sell your online courses? With so many LMS, that is learning management systems on the market, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But each platform boasts of unique features and pricing, making decision more difficult. How do you know which one is the right fit for your needs and budget? In this comprehensive Learnworlds review, we're going to dive deep into its features, pricing, and its ability to help you determine if it is the best LMS platform for your online courses in 2024. So let's get started. Let's start with what is Learnworlds. You see, Learnworlds is an all-in-one platform designed to help you create, sell online courses, and build a thriving online school. Think of it as your virtual classroom, equipped with all the tools you need to share your knowledge and expertise with the world. But Learnworlds is more than just a software. They offer a great customer service team and a responsive support team to ensure you have the help you need every step of the way. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting, Learnworlds provides the resources to make your online courses a success. So let's look at who created it. Let's see if we can get that. Who created Learnworlds? Let's see if we can get an overview of that. Company, about the company. Let's go there. Because if I remember very well, let's see. This is what's about Learnworlds, a software platform that enables creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to provide engaging e-learning experiences for their customers, partners, and employees. The story begins with three e-learning researchers and software engineers, Panos, George, and Fennes, working together and developing educational applications. They built their first learning management system in 1999. Learnworlds was conceived in 2012 when learning platforms were focused on the management of learning rather than on the learning itself. Their goal was to remove the complexity of running an e-learning business and provide exceptional learning experience to users. Learnworlds keeps true to that part by constantly evolving the platform, obsessively listening to its customers' needs, and staying ahead of edtech and e-learning trends with a strong focus on R&D. Founded in 2014, about 140 plus people, 10,000 plus customers, and about 4 billion plus of training value. These are their founders. So we have Panos, we have George and Fennes. Panos, George, and Fennes. That's it about them. So let's move on to the top benefits of Learnworlds. 1. You get reliable. Here are the benefits. Reliable training solutions. Interactive videos integrate with other learning platforms, and it's easy to sell online courses. Variety of course formats, built-in marketing tools, scalable for a few courses or thousands. Easy to use learning platforms, perfect for employee training and advanced analytics. These are the features and more. You can see all the features by clicking on see all features here. So you can see all the features. So we have craft learning experience, flexible courses, AI assistance, interactive video, live sessions, assessment builder, survey builder, website builder, mobile app builder, pop-up builder, customer user roles, analytics and reports, white label website, marketing tools, Scrum, checkout and payment, bonus and subscription affiliate program integration. Let's watch a demo. Wow, that was great. And I really think it's a great thing to get involved with. So let's look at, you can get a 30-day free trial, no credit card required. But before we do that, let's look at something. Let's look at the pros and the cons. After looking through all this, after all the research and everything we did, let's look at the pros and the cons. You see, it is, they already mentioned some of them in the video, the demo video. It is very easy to use, it's very simple for beginners, it's feature rich, it offers tools for course creation and marketing, it's engaging, it boosts learner interest with interactive features, it has flexible pricing. This is the pricing. It has flexible pricing, plans for different needs. This is it. For startup, pro trainer, learning center, high volume or corporate, you can see it. $24 per month, $79 per month, $249 per month, and toll free, and the rest of them contact them. So you can start for free, and these are all the benefits you get under it. So it has a flexible pricing plan for different needs. Then it has good support, very helpful customer service. Now look at the cons. The first con, it is kind of expensive. Look at the prices on this thing. $24 a month, 29. It's kind of expensive. And you have fewer design choices, and many features can be overwhelming at first. So you have to learn. So it has like a steep learning curve, and then it has more advanced, more its marketing features not as advanced as it should be. So we hope for more advanced marketing features to be added. So that is it for, this is the tool assisted with system support we talked about. It has a support system, a fully functional support system. Now in case Learnworlds is not for you, it's because it's not the only option out there. If you want to explore other alternatives, you can try some like Thinkific, Teachable, Podia, Kajiba, Model. This platform have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to compare the features and the pricing to find the best fit for your specific needs and goals. So, a lot of people have used Learnworlds to create and launch comprehensive employee training programs, and the experience is that it was up and running quickly thanks to the user-friendly interface. The feature was a game changer, transforming their training videos into engaging learning experience. The employees loved the flexibility to learn on their own, even on their commutes, because of the mobile app part of it, which is really great. Create your own mobile app using it. Then the customer support is very responsive and helpful whenever questions were needed or assistance was needed in any form. Overall, Learnworlds empowered people to create a high quality training program that significantly boosted employee knowledge and engagement. Now, what are my final thoughts on it? It's a very robust LMS with a wealth of features for creating, marketing, and selling online courses. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, it's not actually the most budget-friendly option, but its ease of use, interactive features, and reliable customer support makes it a worthwhile investment for many creators. So if you're ready to create a thriving online learning business, why not give Learnworlds a try? And it has 30-day free trial, so you have nothing to lose on a world of possibilities to gain. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.